Hi everyone, welcome back to Bioinformatics with Vaishnavi. In today's video, we are going to learn the basics of bash scripting with a practical example. Today, I will show you how to create a simple bash script that automatically unzips compressed files. Let's get started. Before diving into, let me introduce myself. Hi, I am Vaishnavi, a biotechnology graduate working as bioinformatician in India, and on this channel, I simplify bioinformatics for you. Let's get started. So before writing a script, let's understand what bash scripting actually is. A bash script is simply a text file containing Linux commands. Instead of running commands one by one, we write them into a file and execute the file. This helps us to automate repetitive tasks and save a lot of time. See, this is the basic syntax of bash scripting. First of all, we create a .sh file. Then, first line in the text file, we write the shebang line. See, this is the shebang line starting with hashtag. Then we write the content of the script. Whatever the work we have to do, we will write the script for it. Then we make the script file executable using chmod command. Then we run the script. Okay, let's do the practical part and understand how the things go. See, open your terminal and come to your working directory. See here, first of all, let me show you. I have put the zip file in the data folder. Suppose you have any file, it can be any file like text file. Here I have taken a DNA sequence which is in a zip format. Okay, so first of all, let's create and see. You have to write the path of this file right in the script. So you have to copy it. So first of all, let's move to the that and we will do pwd to find out the path of the file. So this is the path of the file. I am going to copy the name of the file because it's a quite complicated. Accession number is in written. So I will put this manually. Home Vaishnavi Bioinformatics with Vaishnavi space data. So let's move out of this because I will be creating a script in the main folder. So let's create a script name unzip underscore file dot sh. Okay, enter. A text file has been opened. First line that we have to write always in the script file is the shebang line, which is hashtag exclamatory mark slash bin slash sh. Okay, next is results equal to. Please make sure you don't add any space between this. So home, the path we just saw outside, right? I'm going to just put home slash Vaishnavi in bioinformatics with Vaishnavi followed by data, then the accession ID that I have copied. Okay, I have put that over here. Then कोड से बंद करेंगे स्पेस ओपनिंग फॉलोड बाय स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स के अंदर हमको लिखना है -f then results. See here -f is for like file text operator. It just check that the file exists and it's a normal file, like it's not a directory because we can't unzip a directory, right? We need a file. So for that I have just put a flag as -f. Okay, then gunzip minus v code snap if code snap results, right? Else enter tab key echo print कराएंगे file results does not exist. It's a very simple script and you'll find it very simple. Once I just finish it, I will explain everything. And just we will close the loop. Okay, so I have write this script here. See, minus f, I have shown you what is minus f is. It's just test if the file exists and it's a normal file, not a directory. Okay, minus v over here is a verbose. Verbose mode shows it just shows the percentage of completeness when we run this script, so that we know how much percentage is left for the completion of the process. Okay, one thing you have to make sure, just put this without any space over here. This is the main thing, and you always have to write in Shebang line before writing any script. This is the main thing. So now we will be saving this file, Control O. We want this name to be saved, enter, and Control exist. See, I am going to do ls, and now this file has been created. But see, still this file is not executable, so we are going to make this file executable by chmod. User is going to give in permission for execution, u plus x unzip.sh, enter. Now the color of the file written while I will do ls will be changed, right? See, it's now executable file. So now we are going to run this file .unzip.sh and see. This is the path of the file. This is the percentage of completed. It should be 100%. Might be because of internet it got stopped over here. And this has been saved like this. हमारे पास पहले .gz zip फाइल थी, अब हमारे पास केवल FASTQ फाइल है, zip फाइल इज नॉट देयर. ls data करके देखेंगे. सी, पहले हमारे पास क्या था, इट्स वॉज इन रेड कलर एंड zip फाइल. Now it's in white color, that means it has been unzipped now. So in this way, this is a very simple procedure how we write bash scripting and how we write the commands in a single file to make our things easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Bioinformatics with Vaishnavi. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.